wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Gundam model kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Amatu Mina gold frame astray comes with all the mecha's signature weapons and can accommodate a wide range of action stances, allowing you to set it up in different positions every day. Included wires let you pose the Magano Shirahoko spears in mid-attack. It includes a retractable left arm claw and stands taller than other high-grade models. However, some of the parts don't fit tightly. At number 9, the HD Orphans Barbatos Iron-Blooded is a replica of one of 72 mechas used in the Calamity Wars. The kit includes a giant mace and katana, so it can be posed in some epic fighting positions, and the building process is rather simple. It makes a good introductory option and is almost as high quality as real-grade models, but the joints are a little too prominent. Coming in at number 8 on our list, there's an undeniable charm to the squat figurine you'll build using the hguc, and of course the character's massive asteroid-blasting hammer is a prized accessory. Its open hands can be fitted with many other items as well. It also comes with a submachine gun and can be assembled quickly. However, it is shorter than most other options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Gundam model kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the convenient snap-together assembly of the master grade tallgeese EW means you can always go back and correct any errors made along the way. It features the Endless Waltz series color scheme and is equipped with a removable helmet. It's got rear-mounted boosters and the weapons have a good range of motion, but it is slightly back-heavy. Moving up our list to number 6. The PGGN001 exia definitely won't disappoint, with its opening and closing panels that allow you to view various internal parts of the mechanical structure and color-changing LED that reflects different stages of the GN particle output. This is a very well-engineered kit that includes a heavy-duty stand, and it's less complicated than other perfect grades. Halfway up our list at number 5, you're going to want to set aside an entire afternoon before you commence constructing the epyon EW Master Grade, but you will be left with a stunning model that can transform from a mobile suit configuration to dragon flight mode. It comes with fully articulated joints and no painting is required. This makes a great gift option. At number 4, the Banshee Norn Unicorn comes in the highly sought-after Destroy Mode configuration, featuring lots of appealing translucent orange highlights in the frame. Its armor is fully deployed, which reveals its impressive-looking mane. It includes a shield and a blaster gun and a few extra parts. The weapons can be placed in either hand. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the PGC Astray red frame features molded in colors, so you don't have to worry about messing around with any paint after assembly. It's equipped with LED illuminated eyes, multi-jointed elbows for complex articulation, and the Gerber straight long sword. It includes a chrome plastic blade and a frame that feels very solid. It stands nearly 1 foot tall. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Gundam model kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the hguc RX78-2 Revive is an updated version of one of the first and most iconic suits from the series' early days. Its low price, combined with the many fine details, multiple articulation points, and near-endless posing options, make it a top seller. It includes beam sabers and is built to a 1:144 scale. This one's ideal for beginner builders. And taking the top spot on our list, the heavyarms EW Master Grade is an aggressive-looking option, armed to the teeth with a giant Gatling gun and too many missile pods to count. All of its components snap together securely, so there's no need for potentially messy glue. It also includes a combat knife and sports vibrant coloring. It stands 8 inches tall. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Gundam model kits, or simply click beneath this video.